Mel2204, your budget vlogger host. Subscribe. Matapos ang 2 oras na pagkaka-upload ng Miss Universe Philippines Facebook page para sa lahat ng mga delegado ng Miss Universe Philippines for Eye Color Plus Shampoo Hair Color Challenge, andito na at malalaman natin ang mga top 10 candidates who supported by the pageant lovers. Let's start the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Eye Color Challenge Top 10. Begin with Bukidnon, Natasha Jane Bahuyo with 3,400 reactions. Next is Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga, Cyril Payumo with 3,700 reactions. Top 8, Zambales, Anita Rose Gomez with 4,000 reactions. Top 7, we have Cebu, Chris Tiffany Johnson with 5,000 reactions. Top 6, Taguig, Christy McGarry with 5.3k reactions. Number 5, we have Baguio, Tara Valencia with 8,300 reactions. At number 4, we have Bacoor, Victoria Velasquez Vincent with 12,000 reactions. At number 3, we have Stacy Gabriel of Cainta Rizal with 12,000 reactions. At number 2 place is Iloilo City, Alexi May Brooks with 12,000 reactions. And our top 1 is Quezon Province at Isa Manalo with 32,000 reactions. Patuloy po nating suportahan ang ating mga Miss Universe Philippines candidates sa lahat ng mga challenges na ibibigay ng MUPH organization. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Patuloy na mantabay sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.